Hello, I am Jimmy Keene, your pal and creator of this YouTube channel. And today, starting at 2 o'clock for this afternoon, we have heavy rain is coming down like in very soon in next hour. So right now I see rainy and cloudy, and that's good. And grass, plants, flowers, trees wanted thirsty like to drink, just like in our lives, like the whole are tired of the rest of my family is getting some grass and for the fridge water and drink some water and sitting and stay hydrated and stay healthy. So that's what I like to do. And yeah. And don't forget to keep it rigid and stay lit.